Welcome to Winning Products.
So if you're going to carry this product called headband magnifier glasses with LED lights, head mount magnifier, hands-free, reading magnifying glasses for jeweler and low craft.
Before we progress further, if you find the content on this channel valuable and you are new to this channel, please like. Remember to subscribe.
This is a winning product on AliExpress because it's a headband magnifying glasses with LED lights around it. As you can see, this is the LED light for reading for those working for students who school and university, or for those studying at night. This is a good winning product. It solves such a problem, and also it magnifies glass for those having eye issues. So it brings the object closer to the face. As you can see, the winning product. The quantity of 4.85 view on AliExpress with 59 reviews and 104 orders. The listing is called Extreme Craft Store, 97.1% positive feedback. If you're a dropshipper and you intend to sell these products, I suggest you go for marketing platforms such as and Google Search Ads. If you're using Google Search Ads, make sure you target it as with your keyword best affordable birthday gifts in 2022, or number one birthday gift for loved one in 2022 as your headline if you are using Google Search Ads. And it's sold on AliExpress at the cost of 11.11 USD with free shipping, shipped to the United States, from China to United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Expect delivery is on May 22. We are in April. As I'm recording video, this is April 28. So this is May 22. So if you are looking at shipping times, comparing, this shipping times is free. If you are shipping directly to the United States, I'm looking at May 22. So if you are shipping directly to the United States, it's going to take the customers may be patient enough because it's a high passive value product and it solves a particular problem. It magnifies object closer for those having issues. It solves that problem. And secondly, if you're shipping in United States, consider 7 to 14 day shipping time. So if you want to convince people to buy this product, make sure you tell them that because of the high passive value products and scarcity, we are looking at shipping once or other marketing strategy to ship this product. If you look at other shipping options, let's see if it's going to reduce the shipping times. Other shipping options, you can see the first shipping option is tracked. So let's go for tracked shipping. And shipping that is tracked, you go for it. And look at this one. This one is on tracked. Don't go for this. Okay, that is that. Then if you're looking for product description, I'm going to put a link in this video where you're going to see the links to the video. You're going to see order of my videos on winning products, and also links to teach you how to write product description for your dropshipping business or for your small medium business. Also links to different services provided for your dropshipping business if you don't have time, be it font design a logo, you don't have time, and there are logo designers I'm going to link you to at affordable rates. And also if you're looking for Twitter influencers for dropshipping business, there are link in the video description that will show you Twitter influencers, rather freelancers currently that we provide you with Twitter influencers. Okay, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thank you.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all, so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.